Check out the new M18 Fuel Multifunction Outdoor Power Equipment range from Milwaukee. This is the M18 Fuel Power Head to drive all the attachments. It's got a brushless motor, 2-speed control, and it's powered by any M18 battery. It's lightweight, the grips feel really good in your hand. Combine that with the variable 2-position trigger, you feel like you've got loads of control. Milwaukee's QUIK-LOK system means you can change between attachments in seconds. It also means you don't have to have a separate machine in your shed for every job. I just gave the line trimmer a crack. It reaches full speed almost immediately when you squeeze that trigger. The line auto feeds while you're trimming, and to reload, you can put 7.6 meters of 2mm line in there in under 30 seconds. And when you're finished trimming and you want to switch over to your edge area attachment, you can use that QUIK-LOK system to change instantly. 8-inch steel blade for edging, rubber mud flaps will catch most of the spray out the back. The metal guard and housing protects the gearbox and highlights the build quality with longevity in mind. Milwaukee's also released this pole saw attachment to this unit as well. It's got a 10-inch bar with an auto oiler to help that chain stay lubed up. There's a branch hook as well to help you get a bit of leverage on those difficult to reach branches. Now I was going to go outside and lob some branches off some trees, but I thought, why not cut something just a little harder? And check out how much reach you can get with that extension attachment in the middle as well. All these attachments have a protected drive shaft. They take more than a bang and a tumble that come with regular use. They're incredibly lightweight and they've got more than enough power to get the job done without ever bogging down. And between you and me, it's bloody quiet. You got any questions at all about the M18 Fuel Multifunction Outdoor Power Equipment from Milwaukee? Hit us up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.